All right, so here's the Imagine Math and Imagine Math Facts tutorial. Again, we're going to our Google Classroom. I know that this is just kind of our hub. And if you scroll down, you'll see that I have put the link here in the chat or in the stream page. But because I post their assignments every day, it's getting lower and lower. And I try to bump it up as much as I possibly can, but sometimes I forget, so it's not at the top of the stream page. So if your students need to remember where to go to find their Imagine Math link, if you go to classwork and my Bitmoji classroom underneath this topics over here, you click on the link, it will take you to my Bitmoji classroom. Click on the board. If you click here where it says math resources and then Imagine Math, you can click on this little box right here and it will take you to the Imagine Math site. So here it is. Here's their login. I can't use my email because I'm not a student, and so I'm going to put in the student username and password, which is their 6-digit number for both, and then the site code. It should already automatically be set in there, but if it is not, the site code is 4808090. So once the student has logged in, it will bring them up to this dashboard. So this is where you click on whether you're doing Imagine Math or Imagine Math Facts. Previously in the past, there have been two different links for their logins, but Imagine Math has combined them to one link. You log in one time and then you just click on whichever one you're doing. So let's do Imagine Math first. So I'm going to click on Imagine Math and it's going to pop up here where this particular student is. This is what the student sees. So it tells them that they have attempted 10 lessons and that they have received 9 certificates, meaning they've passed 9 of those 10 lessons. It also tells them right here which is their current lesson. So this particular student, again, adding and subtracting with the standard algorithm, that is the current lesson that he is on. So you can see that he's currently on the pre-quiz. So if he starts right here, then it's going to automatically pick him up where he had left off. But let's say that your student is on guided learning, so the 3 will be highlighted and they'll just be able to hit start and it'll pick them right up to where they left off. You can also see right here that this student has mastered adding whole numbers, and so it tells you right here that this is where they are in kind of the queue, adding and subtracting with standard algorithm. And then you can see that the next concept that they're doing is place value concepts. It also tells you who the class leaders are, and so who is the top points and who has the most past lessons. So now we're going to go back to Math Facts. So the way that you do that is if you click on at the bottom where it says Imagine Math, you scroll all the way down at the bottom, it says Imagine Math, and then right here, then you can just click on Math Facts. This particular portal is going to take them to their fluency. So Math Facts is very important because it's going to teach them that rote learning for math. Their Math Facts. Sorry, there is background music. I'm going to take that away. And this is just like an arcade game. So I have the students go in this order: addition, then subtraction, then multiplication and division. Once they have mastered addition, then they can move on to subtraction and so on and so forth. So they just click on whatever they're doing and then they hit play. And it is a game-like system. It's going to look like an arcade game, but they are focused on that math fluency. They're focused on being able to do that rote learning. We are past the part of what is 2 plus 2, why are we adding 2 plus 2, how does that get to 4? We're now to the point in their math education where they just have to know 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 3 equals 6, 2 plus 3 equals 5. They just need to be able to start saying those as quickly as possible. Like I said, once I get the notification that they have completely mastered addition, then I will give them the opportunity to tell them, hey, you are at 100% at addition, so now I want for you to move on to subtraction, then multiplication, then division.